Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy and sell crypto on Paybis wallet. So if you also want to buy and sell crypto on Paybis wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Paybis wallet application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you're not in this interface, what you can do is tap on the three lines that you can see right over here. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to buy the crypto, simply tap on the option buy crypto. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to buy the crypto. You can select your currency and payment method. Simply tap on this option that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to select the currency and payment method. You can see over here right now the currency is USD. Simply tap on it. Now from here you'll be able to select the currency. Simply tap on the currency of your choice. After that, go back. Now you can also select the payment method. You can see several payment methods over here. You can see credit or debit card, ACH, PayPal, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice. After that, what you have to do is enter the amount that you want to spend. Simply tap on this box. Now enter the amount. If you have any promo code, you can enter it over here. Now you can see over here, you'll receive this amount of Bitcoin. If you want to change the crypto, simply tap on this option. Now from here, you'll be able to select the crypto that you want to buy. Simply tap on the crypto of your choice. After that, what you have to do is tap on the buy Bitcoin option that you can see right over here. Since I've selected Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin is being displayed. If you've selected another crypto, the name of another crypto will be displayed. All you have to do is tap on it. After the transaction is completed, you'll just buy the crypto. Now selling the crypto is also very simple. All you have to do is tap on the sell option that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to sell the crypto. Simply enter the amount that you want to spend. Also select the crypto of your choice. Simply tap on the option crypto. Now select the crypto that you want to sell. Also select the currency that you want to receive. Tap on this option that you can see right over here. You can see over here USD is selected right now. Simply tap on it. Now from here you'll be able to select the currency. You can also select how you want to get paid. You can see the options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. You'll see the receiving amount over here. If you have any promo code, you can enter it over here. After that, what you can do is tap on the sell Bitcoin option that you can see right over here. If you have selected another crypto, you'll see the name of that crypto in the sell option. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your crypto will be sold. So that is how you buy and sell crypto on Paybis wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.